In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add an Instagram feed to your website. So for that, click on edit and let's create a new section for Instagram feed. Add a blank section. It will take some time. So a new section has been created. On the top left, you will see ad block. Click on it and then scroll down to Instagram in the integrations panel. So you can see an Instagram feed has been appeared. You can connect your Instagram account by clicking on the pencil on the top left and then choose connected account and then add your new account. It will require an access from Instagram, so wait for it. So the account has been connected to Squarespace. You can choose the number of posts as well, and you can drag it around as well according to your requirement. It is a very easy process. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.